who says, is it permissible to throw money at weddings? As this is something that has become extremely common, especially in South Asian countries. What happens is that it's become a custom among the people when the bride and the groom are hand in hand, they seem to throw money over them, or when they're sitting on their thrones or chairs, or when they're visiting. And this is not part of Islam. Meaning that if you want to be generous, if you want to give them a gift, do that discreetly. In Saudi Arabia, we have this custom that when we're invited to weddings, we call it rift. So we put as much as we can afford in an envelope, tuck it in, and when we come and enter the wedding hall, we see the father of the bride and the groom and his family. Whomever we want to give the money to, we just shake hands and hand it to them. They put it in their pocket, whether it's the bride's father or to the groom himself, depending whom we're giving the gift to. And this is done discreetly. And this is done without any strings attached. Not that, okay, I'm going to give him this much so that when I get married or my daughter gets married, he's going to return the same or more to me. No. It shouldn't be done this way. But what we see in such South Asian countries where they throw the money on their heads, and they have to fall down on their hands and knees and collect the money, or the children do this, or their relatives. This is humiliating. You want to give me a gift? Give it to me in my hand. Why throw it on me? Oh, it's a sign of happiness. But this isn't done discreetly or with honor. You're forcing me to go down on my knees and collect the money, and maybe then we will fight, me and my spouse, over who gets what. This is extravagance. This is showing off and boasting about it. As I said, you want to give a gift? Give it discreetly in their hand, and don't show off in front of the people as if you're throwing money that has no respect, no value to you. And this is a ni'mah from Allah that must be respected, and Allah knows best.